welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I think you guys are going to love it because I'm super excited. I have been working on this for a long time already, and it's 2021 and I feel like it's the time to do it, to just try, to just follow your dreams and your passions. And I feel like that's what 2021 is for me, and hopefully you guys will see this as a message as well, to just go for it, to just do it and try. And hopefully you guys will also get inspired and also follow your dreams and passions and what you really love, because we're here for a very short time, not a long time, and we might as well just make the best of it, make the most out of each and every day, and just put our hearts into everything that we do and do stuff that we love. So I have decided to do two things in this video. One is show you guys, of course, a phone theme. This is my favorite blinged out case that I've had for a while already. I got this for $10 on Amazon, and it is my glam case, and I really love it. I also have this phone theme that I will be sharing with you guys that's very dear to me because it goes along with what I'm going to tell you guys, and it is also a theme that matches really well with this glam phone case, and it is a free theme. I will also include two wallpapers that you guys could also use, just in case you're an iPhone user or you guys want some other ideas. I will also include that as well. And now I want to share with you guys something that I have been creating and working really hard, but that is, can I get a drum roll please? That is my eyelashes. So I have an eyelash shop now. I will leave the website down below in the description bar, and I will also make an in-depth video all about my eyelashes and kind of like a closer look of how they look and how they are, and then just kind of show you guys what eyelashes I have. So I do have these really beautiful eyelashes. These are actually my favorite because these that I have been rocking for the last couple months, wearing right now, and this is how it looks like. This is my little logo right there, Bliss Lashes, and look at this packaging. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it so much. So I'm so happy to be sharing with you guys the eyelashes that I have for Bliss Lashes. So Bliss Lashes is where you guys can buy my lashes. I decided to name it Bliss because bliss means happiness, and each of these lashes that I have, I do have three, all have different meanings to me and different stories. So the one that I have here is actually called Dreamer. So this is the Dreamer lash because this is like my go-to lash, and I feel like I'm always dreaming. I am a Pisces, so I feel like that is in our nature, but that's why I decided to name that one Dreamer. And then the other ones that I have are Fairy Tale and Self-Love. So I hope you guys check it out. This is just a sneak peek. Like I said, I will be going in more depth in my other video dedicated for my lashes. So enough rambling. I've talked so much now. I will leave everything that you guys need in the description. Check it out. So let's just get this video started. Okay, here is the theme name, and that is the creator. This is a wonderful butterfly theme, and I will be showing you guys some wallpapers as well. So here is how the theme looks like. It's a beautiful lavender purple with some hues of blue, and it's kind of simple, but I really like this aesthetic. The icons just look purple and simple. And when I swipe down, this is how it looks like. It's just like a lavender color, really pretty. And then I'm going to swipe up, and this is the rest of the icons. Like I said, pretty simple. They just have purple hues, dark and light purple, and they're circular. Then this is the calculator, purple with hints of blue. And then this is the calendar, purple as well. And as for the phone itself, here we have our messaging. So we have a little butterfly as an icon image. Love that, so cute. And it's dark purple, and then the keyboard is a light purple. And for the phone, we have, this is how the phone looks like. It's so cute. I love how it has like the flowers and the butterflies, and then the hues of purple as well. And this is how the lock screen looks like. So the lock screen is as well the same. It just has a butterfly and flowers and petals that are falling down in the corners. And I love just like the different shades of purple and blue. Such a pretty ready for spring type of phone theme. And this is my first wallpaper. So this is a beautiful purple. So we have two butterfly phone wallpapers that you guys could use, and we also have this one that says good vibes with butterflies, and it's the prettiest purples with clouds. Yes, please. And this is how it looks like when it is on my phone. So this is the lock screen. I love this lock screen. It's such a cute aesthetic with the purple butterflies all over my phone, and it matches really well with this phone theme. And as for my home screen, I did apply the other wallpaper that I showed you guys, which is this one. Is so pretty. I love this simple little butterfly just in the middle, and then just like a purple all over as a background. This is how the other home screen looks like. Just good vibes right here. Love this really positive, pretty message and the butterflies, and I feel like it gives it like a pop if you guys don't want to be too simple with the other wallpaper. So I hope you guys got some ideas, some inspiration, and liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also check out my small business. Check out BLISS Lashes for some more butterfly cuteness and glam lashes. So thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!